Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. You have probably seen those viral ads claiming to pink salt recipe can melt belly fat fast. Just a glass of water, a pinch of Himalayan salt, maybe some lemon or honey, and boom. You are on your way to losing 10, 20, even 100 pounds without diet or exercise. But here is the truth. It is full of red flags. First, the celebrity endorsements are fake. Videos of Oprah or Hoda Code are AI-generated deepfakes or robotic tone, mismatched lips, completely fabricated. Second, the recipe constantly changes. One version say pink salt and lemon, another adds turmeric. Then suddenly they push a secret ancient ingredient, only available through their overpriced product. Third, they say these ingredients are in your kitchen, then claim you need rare herbs from mountain regions. That is a classic bait and switch. And fourth, there is zero scientific proof that salt water melt fat or detox your body. Final thoughts. It is not a miracle, it is a marketing trap. And consult your doctor first. So that's all for this video. Please like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.